So I literally just dyed my hair with the Herbishh red, burgundy red color. You can see it's starting to dry and it's coming out a nice, deep, dark, pretty burgundy color there. And my hair's still slightly wet. So I've got this argan oil from Herbishh. This is extreme damage repair, instant shine, smoothness, and frizz control. So there's a couple different ways that you can use this. You can pretty much use this at any time. I like to use it when my hair's wet and then blow it dry. It gives it kind of more of like an anti-frizz. But if you're just like heading out, you know, on the town and you just want to spruce your hair up a little bit and give it a little shine, you can always just throw a drop or two after you've styled your hair. You can just take it and just kind of just put it on the ends of it and it's going to shine it up. So it comes like that, comes in a bottle like that. I'd like to thank Herbishh for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. I've actually been using Herbishh for 3 years on my hair. I love their products. They've been one of my sponsors for 3 years. Absolutely love, love, love their products. So I haven't tried the argan oil. It's a newer product. I mean, I've tried it, but I haven't tried it for a long time. Not as long as I've been dyeing my hair. So now it's really nice. Oh, it feels so good and smooth. So now I'm just going to pull that through my hair as best I can. I especially like using this right after I've dyed my hair because the dyeing does dry your hair out just a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit more because I can feel the ends are a little bit drier. So normally I would use what I used, but because I just literally dyed my hair, I am going to use a little bit more of this argan oil on it. So there we go. Wow, love it. Guys, I'm 53 years old and my hair is so healthy from using these more natural products on it and not constantly putting the gunk on it. So there's the argan oil. That's how it works.